Hi friends, welcome to another video of cooking stories. As part of our Onam Special Payasam Series, today we are going to prepare tender coconut payasam, commonly known as Ilaneer Payasam in Kerala. For this we will take around 1 cup of tender coconut pieces and 1 cup of coconut water. Now blend this by adding tender coconut water little by little and keep it aside. In a heavy bottomed pan or vessel, we will heat around 500 ml of milk. When it starts boiling, we will add around 2 by 3 cup of condensed milk, which is around 10 tablespoons. Cook this on medium flame and keep stirring it till it reduces to half the quantity. Now we will add blended coconut mix which we prepared earlier into it and a quarter cup of tender coconut chopped into small pieces and cook it on medium flame till it boils. Once it is boiled, keep on stirring it for 2 more minutes on low flame and add a pinch of cardamom powder, stir it well and switch off the flame. Take a small pan and add around 1 teaspoon of ghee into it. Once it is hot enough, we will add few cashews and roast this till it turns light golden brown in color. And finally add this into our Ilaneer Payasam. Try out this variety payasam and do include it in your Onam lunch this time. If you enjoyed watching our videos, do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified for our future videos.